Oh, literally everyone is an expert these days, aren't they? Every single person comes out of the woodwork to give me a lecture, telling me to just think positive and positive things will happen. Like, are you kidding me? It's a total scam. I sit there, I try to do the whole good vibes thing, and absolutely nothing changes. It's just a fake act. I don't need a masterclass from anyone on how to think or what should be going on inside my own head. People need to keep their unsolicited free advice to themselves and go fix their own lives with it first. Stop trying to play the saint. Just stay positive. Stay positive. How much am I supposed to obsess over the exact same thought when it literally changes nothing for me? And then you get these pseudo-intellectuals coming at me with their textbook cliches saying, oh, if I tell you not to think about a pink elephant, you're only going to think about the pink elephant. Please, it's my brain and I know exactly what I'm doing up there. Before you drop your profound wisdom on me, go field test it on yourself first, and don't talk to me about patience or consistency. I know how to put my head down, stay focused, and grind toward my goals without being micromanaged by people who aren't even on my path. Yeah, sometimes things get delayed for me. Sometimes I run late. But trailing behind someone else's pace for a second doesn't mean I lost the race, and it definitely doesn't mean I failed at life. I'm gonna bloom on my own damn timeline, not on anyone else's schedule.